the parts of the bicycle, and the installation tools. Loosen the nut with an Allen wrench and rotate the valve stem. Tighten the rod nuts. Rotate the handlebar to organize the brake cables, gear cables, outside the handlebar without affecting the rotation of the handlebar assembly. Place the handlebar inside the stem, adjust it to the appropriate position, and tighten the fixing screws. Use a multifunction wrench to loosen the left and right nut S of the protective bar and remove the protective bar. Note that the front brake disc and the rear brake discs are on the same side of the tire. Insert the wheel. Put component into the wheel axle and lock the front wheel. Install to the corresponding position, according to the R and L on the pedal. Place the left pedal on the left side and tighten it counterclockwise with a multi-purpose wrench. Loosen the seat post clamps. Thread the seat through the minimum safety line. Rotate the seat post clamp and press firmly. Tighten the screws after installing the fender. Choose the suitable ring. Tighten it to the right position with a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten the bolt. Adjust the vertical position with the knob. Inserting the white reflector and tightening the nut with a crosshead screwdriver. Engage the red reflector onto the seat tube and tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver. Thread the plastic strap through the bottom buckle and secure it to the bicycle tube. Thread the plastic tape through the base buckle and secure it to the bicycle pipe. Put the two screws inside the two holes and tighten the screws. After opening the metal lock catch, lift it up, folding the bicycle.